Hi everyone. CAT registrations are open from August 8. To register for the exam, you can either visit the official website of CAT 2018 or the link given here. Once you register for the exam, you will receive the official login credentials, your CAT user ID and the password. You can log into the official website with these login credentials to fill the application form of CAT 2018. Once you log in, you need to fill in your personal details, your academic details, the program you want to pursue, the city of your preference, and you also need to upload the scanned image of your passport size photograph and the signature in the specified dimensions. Once you fill in all the details, you need to pay the application fee of CAT 2018. The application fee for general and OBC category candidates is 1900 rupees. The application fee for SC, ST, and PWD category candidates is 950 rupees. Once you pay the application fee, you need to submit the application form. And that's the end of the application process. You will also receive the official confirmation from IIMS on your registered email ID for this. So that's all about how to fill the application form of CAT 2018. I hope this video was really useful for you. Thank you for watching. For more updates on CAT, you can visit our website www.bschool.careers360.com. Thank you.